It's like everything hits so heavy at once, and I don't know why. These hopeless thoughts can prime my tears, but nah, I'm way too man to cry. Loved ones, friends that ask how I'm doing, and it's like the truth I deny it. And everybody thinks that I'm all good, but they don't even know how well I hide it. The feeling's rough, no matter what you do, you're not good enough. And you gotta be tough until the right person comes along to call you a bluff and you release. Please, I beg and plead, and then you let it all out with one big heave. And believe that doing it will throw it all away till it all comes back the very next day. So it's back to square one, a fight that the dark side clearly won. At least for now, I think the pessimistic part of me has made me feel better underground. I can't explain. All you know is your heart's in pain. The scarring leaves your body drained. I know I shouldn't say his name in vain, but God, where did I go wrong? It's gone on way too long. The weight is much too strong. Feels like I can't go on. No big deal, and I'll be okay. Funny cause I wrote the majority of this song on the morning of Christmas Day. It's come to the day where it feels so right, like it's normal now. One day I might explode. Most of the time I know how to hold it all back and make sure that I don't bother anybody. Don't be alarmed cause I made it this far, so I guess I know. How does this even go? I don't understand myself. Will I just go with the flow? Who do I ask for help? Will I be saved by the bell? This can't end well. Will I choose heaven or hell, or put the book back on the shelf like forced to go on living this life I am given? Forced to deal with this mind that I call my prison. This can't be real, someone tell me that I am dreaming. Feeling trapped and helpless, so I just start screaming.